what's happening over here. Sidewalk. What's happening here? Oh, there's a car that's counter traffic. They're counter traffic into the grass over here. Whoa. Oh, and that other car across the street got smashed in. Looks pretty bad. Whoa. No wonder what happened. Whoa, whole bumper got ripped off. They seem to be okay. Oh, their rear bumper got ripped off. They went through the bushes. Whoa, I wonder how that happened. Okay, let's turn around here. Whoa. Uh-oh. That looks pretty bad. No self-driving cars involved. All right, bye.